I trade cryptocurrency on spot trading from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency each of every day, and I have done that for like 1 week now. So take a look at this, my wallet right here on my Binance account right now. I literally have some amount of profit right here. So it is little, but at least there is still money to be made right here using this particular cryptocurrency spot trading method right now that I'm using. Okay, so now I literally spot this particular stable coin right here on this particular arbitrage scanner, and then I literally go ahead and purchase it from this particular cryptocurrency exchanger, which is this, and I will sell it on this right here. So now let me just go ahead and do the demo right now so that you guys can really see how profit it is. I will share it with you right now. If you are suitable or okay with the method, you can just go ahead and use it. So take a look at this my screen right now. This is the particular progress that I've made for a while now. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on it right now so that you guys can actually view all the transaction history that is available right here. So take a look at them right now. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and switch everything right now straight to this particular place right here. Okay, so if you need the link to this particular arbitrage scanner, I'll drop it down in the video description, because this particular arbitrage scanner is the particular tools that literally give me signals for me to get some profit out of my spot trading right here. So before you can get access to this particular arbitrage scanner, go straight to my video description. I will try to drop the link right there. Go ahead and sign up an account with my link. So if you use my link, there will be a discount for you, or there will actually be a 24 hours free trial for you. Yes, so after then, just go ahead and click on this particular side right here, and then just go ahead and click on arbitrage product. Just go ahead and click on arbitrage scanner right now. So listen and listen carefully. I'll be dropping video concerning this particular arbitrage scanner right here, and a lot of you guys thinking that I'm just dropping video about this. So that is not just it. I've literally spot a lot of opportunities right here that will literally make me money, and I'm doing this, I'm showing you live right now, so you guys can literally go ahead and check this out. It's very good for you to get this particular arbitrage scanner. I'm telling you the fat truth. So just go ahead and pay for any plan right here. It's free. So if you literally go ahead and use my video description, click on the link right there, you will get 24 hours free trial. And then if you want to literally go ahead and pay for any plan right here, you have discounts for it. Now let's spot any opportunity right here. Let's say this particular token right now, which is ZEC. Okay, so in this particular cryptocurrency exchanger, they are selling it on this particular price, and this particular cryptocurrency exchanger, they are selling it in this particular higher price. So now, so don't get confused if everything right here is refreshing itself, because I program it. Take a look at it. Every 30 seconds I said yes, it has to be refreshed every 30 seconds. So I can set it to be 15 seconds so that all the prices and the cryptocurrency, moreover the exchanger, will be changing every 15 seconds. Okay, so I can put it in 10 seconds right here. You can take a look at it. Every 10 seconds it will be changing. That means it will be giving me new update about the particular cryptocurrency to buy low or to sell high. Okay, that's why you try to see everything normally changing time to time due to how I set it up. So that one aside, now I just have to go ahead and tell you how you can actually spot a cryptocurrency that have pricing in differences in different exchanges. So here in this particular side that said currency pair, this is where you can find any of the currency pair right here. And now this is the particular buy. This is where you can spot where you can buy, and this is where you can spot where you can sell. So this particular one right now is from the spot trading. So go ahead and type this particular token right here on this particular gate, and then go ahead and search it on Coinbase and then sell it out right there. It's very easy and simple. But probably I have my own particular cryptocurrency that I've literally spot right here, and I actually use this particular cryptocurrency to literally navigate gate.io and binance.com. That's why I literally end up getting some amount of figures right here showing on this my Binance account within some few days that I was doing this particular trading method. Now just go straight to your gate.io right here. Now just go ahead and search for this particular token, which is DCR right here. Just go ahead and search it right now, which is DCR. Okay, so now take a look at the particular cryptocurrency. It is available right here on Gate. So buy low on Gate. Let me say you'll be using 500 USDT. Okay, or let's say you're using 1000 USDT. Even you can also use 100 USDT depending on how you have money, but probably I will advise you to literally use enough amount so that you guys can literally make enough money. Yes, enough amount, that means enough capital, enough profit. That is how it works. Now let me just say 1000 USDT right here, and then I will be getting this one right now, I just have to go ahead and click on asset after I've literally buy this particular token right here on my gate. Click on assets right here, just go ahead and click on withdraw right now, then just go ahead and click on chain withdraw, then search for the particular token right here, which is DCR. So take a look at the particular cryptocurrency right here. It is available, you can send it out, so it is not suspended. Now take a look at it right now under the network of the particular blockchain right here, and the arrival time is 30 minutes and the network fees is 0.047, so it's very low. Now all you just have to do, just go straight to Binance right here. So immediately you're in your Binance right now, just go straight to where you can literally spot that particular cryptocurrency. So just make sure you click on accept right here, but before then let's check the price differences right here. Let's do it in demo before you go straight and literally withdraw it straight to Binance. Now here we are on the particular DCR. Again, if you want to get it, go ahead and search it, which is DCR right here, then go ahead and click on it, then just go ahead and click on sell, because if immediately you are sending that from that particular gauge.io straight to Binance, you'll be getting it right here as DCR, then you sell it straight to USDT. So you just have to put it on sell, then just go ahead and sell out the particular token right here. Okay, so this is what it worth right now, and now you'll be getting 1000 plus some cents. So this particular 1000, you have profit of 6 USDT from this particular 1000 that you used initially. Yes, so let's check if there is a deposit open right here. So let's check if the deposit is open right now. Just click on add fund, click on chain right here, then just go straight and search for the particular cryptocurrency DCR right here. So take a look at it, it is still active, and now just go ahead and click on this particular blockchain right here. So just go ahead and copy this wallet address right now and go straight to your gauge.io right here. Go ahead and paste it right now in this particular place, then set the particular amount right now that you literally buy the specific token on spot trading right here on gauge.io, which is this, and then in your Binance account you will be receiving this particular amount of this token right here in your Binance account. You know, this particular ways of making money on cryptocurrency spot trading is actually a good and fast, let me just say, is the best way of trading spot right now on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So maybe you are sending it straight to this particular place, you'll be getting profit of 6 USDT right here if you're using 1000 USDT. So you can actually do this like 4 times. Let me just go straight to my calculator right now. Okay, so you know, you usually have profit of 6.8, let me just say 6.5. so let's say you do it like 5 times a day, you'll be getting 32 USDT as profit. So if you're using 1000, you do it 5 times a day, you're getting 32 as profit. Okay, let's say you do it like 10 times a day. Okay, so you'll be getting 65 USDT as profit every blessed day. Okay, so now let's say you do it till 30 days, which is 1 month. So every day you're doing it 10 times and you do it for like 30 days. Okay, so you'll be getting 1750 USDT on every month, just if you are using this particular method for this particular arbitrage opportunity. So that's how I literally make some cool cash from this particular cryptocurrency spot trading, and at the end of the day I have some figures right here on my Binance account as my profit. Okay, so now that you have know all this, just go ahead and give this video a like and make sure you follow this particular step if you usually want to make money on cryptocurrency, which is in the spot trading, just as I'm also making my own money right here. Okay, so if you like this video, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. So if you don't like it, just let me know why you don't like it. So if you actually want to get this particular arbitrage scanner where I literally spot the opportunity right here, just let me know in the comment section if you want to get it for free. Okay, I might give you my Gmail address so that you guys can also log in it and get access to the free pro. Yes, but I would advise you to literally go ahead and buy a plan. Yes, buy a plan for yourself so that you can enjoy making money from cryptocurrency ecosystem right here using this particular arbitrage scanner. It's very important for you right now. So now I just want to end this video right here. I will see you in my next video right now. Bye bye for now. Peace out. Okay.